loves, my name is Winnie G. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I install a straight wig, and this is my hair. Just kidding. This is a 24-inch V-part wig I was sent by Nadula. They are sponsoring today's video, and I'm going to show you guys how I got this amazing blend with minimal leave out, and it's giving scalp, okay? It's giving very natural. No one's gonna clock me, okay? Who's gonna check me, boo, okay? So without further ado, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Alright, so this is the finished look with a little bit of extra baby hair. It's giving scalp. It's giving, this is my hair, don't ask any questions, okay? I love the way that everything is blending. It looks so good, and I even love how much volume there is in the root. You're not gonna be all up in the part, but if you get all up in the part, then baby, so be it, because it's laid. It just looks like, it looks scrumptious. Something about these curly wigs with a little bit of layering in them just adds something, because typically somebody with long curly hair is gonna wanna have some shape to it. No matter the texture, shape is so important. And with a little round face like mine, honestly, layers just kind of bring it to life and really, like, I don't know, it just makes it look a lot more natural, because I can't put my finger on it, but it's doing something. I hope you got some tips and tricks on how to blend your hair with your V-part wigs, and I'm about to go and hit these streets because I'm looking a little too good to be sitting, okay, right here talking to y'all all day. No offense, I love y'all, love you, but I gotta go outside. Thank you again to Nadula for working with me. All of the information about this wig will be down below in the description bar, so don't forget to go ahead and check that out. Pick her up, honey, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, babes.
Nadula.